Most mid-range phones are playing it safe. They use the same rounded corners, the same polite pastel finishes, and the exact same battery sizes we saw 2 years ago. Tecno's Pova 8 Pro is not playing it safe. It brings an aggressive cyberpunk aesthetic, a glowing 177 LED matrix on the back, a 144Hz 1.5K AMOLED display, and a massive 6,500 mAh battery into one device. The question is simple. Is this genuine performance hardware or just clever styling? Start with the design, because you cannot miss it. The back panel features what Tecno calls the Alive Matrix, a grid of 177 customizable mini LEDs that animate for notifications, incoming calls, charging status, and in-game events. It is bold, flashy, and unapologetic. But behind the gamer styling is surprising toughness. The Pova 8 Pro carries IP68, IP69, and high-pressure IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance, alongside MIL STD 810 military drop protection. That means it can survive submersion, high-temperature jets, and accidental drops better than many phones twice its price. Flip it around and you get a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display running at a crisp 144Hz refresh rate. Tecno claims peak brightness reaches up to 4,500 nits in direct sunlight, backed by 2,592Hz high-frequency PWM dimming to reduce eye strain during late-night gaming sessions. Touch response is razor-sharp, making fast-paced shooters and open-world titles feel immediate and fluid. Whether you're scrolling feeds outdoors or dodging bullets, the screen delivers flagship-level fluidity. Powering the Pova 8 Pro is MediaTek's Dimensity 7400 Ultimate, built on an efficient 4nm process. It is paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a dedicated P1 graphic chip designed to stabilize frame rates under heavy loads. To keep thermals in check during extended gaming sessions, Tecno built in a 5,000 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system. In sustained gameplay, that extra thermal headroom keeps frame drops to a minimum, ensuring consistent output without uncomfortable throttling. Then there is the headline feature, a colossal 6,500 mAh battery. While most competitors still hover around 5,000, this phone is engineered for 2 days of moderate use or marathon gaming sessions. It supports 45-watt fast charging to top up quickly, plus 10-watt reverse charging to power your earbuds on the go. Best of all, it includes bypass charging, letting you plug in and route power directly to the processor during intense gaming, keeping the battery cool and extending its overall lifespan. On the back, you get a solid 50-megapixel main camera using Sony's LYTI-700C sensor with optical image stabilization, flanked by an 8-megapixel ultrawide. It will not replace a dedicated photography flagship, but for daily social posts, 4K video, and quick memories, it is clean and dependable. Running Android 16 with HiOS 16, Tecno promises 2 major OS upgrades and 3 years of security patches. Starting around 50,000 rupees, the Pova 8 Pro knows exactly what it wants to be, a distinct, long-lasting gaming machine that refuses to blend into the crowd.